So hello everyone. Today I'll be explaining the output for Python Courses Basics 1 article. I'll be attaching the link down below, and I'll also be explaining the code in brief. So first we'll import the courses module. First of all, let's see how to install the courses module. So you can use the command pip install, and if you're on a Windows machine, make sure to use Windows-courses because otherwise it's a Unix based module and it doesn't really work well with Windows. And so now first we'll import courses. Next what we'll do is init.str. Init.str is basically initializes the screen, so which means it opens a new terminal. Courses.beep produces a very subtle sound. NAPMS for 3000. The number inside is the milliseconds, so this means 3 seconds, and this is basically nap for milliseconds. Dot flash would flash the screen once, flash the terminal once. Again we will sleep for 2 seconds, and then for at the position 0, 0, I'd like to add this string, and at 1, 2 I'll add this string. Screen dot refresh is applied to make sure the changes are shown. Sleep for 4 seconds, and then at 5, 5 position we'll be writing the string. Again refresh, again for a sleep. Then we clear the screen, and it becomes a new terminal now. We again put it to sleep for 2 seconds, and then at position 0, 0 we write this is a fresh screen. At the next line we write if it can change color, if it's true or false. We are using the function courses.canChangeColor. It returns true if changing color is possible by the programmer or the user. At the next line we write has color if the terminal has colors or not. Then we apply screen refresh. The print statements made here would be printed in the terminal outside and not on the one we are currently using. Then we make it sleep for 3 seconds, and then we end the window. I'll just show the output to you. So this is how we'll have to run it. So here are the strings, and then it would just vanish in 2 seconds. So this is a fresh screen, and as you can see the printed the lines are over here. I'll just show it once more to make sure you have got it. The beep sound, the flash, the writing, the